Welcome back to Valo Podcast. If it's your first time, welcome. This is our second episode. We need to break the cycle of the crab mentality. What is the crab mentality? The crab mentality is instead of pulling each other up from the barrel, we pull each other down into the barrel. We are brothers. We're supposed to help each other. We are sisters. We're supposed to help each other. We are relatives. We should be helping each other. We are friends. We should be there for each other. We are in the trenches. We should come together, pull ourselves up. We are down. We should uplift each other. We are united as a community. That unity should be based on something substantial. There should be a substance to that. Our unity should not only be based on common things. We should not only unite because we have the same religion. We practice the same culture and tradition. We are from the same villages. We speak the same dialect or language. Our unity should not only be about attending the same weddings, the same funerals, or the same baby naming ceremony. There is more to unity than all of those things that I just did. I'm not saying those are bad, but if we can meet at those places, eat, chat, have fun with one another, but why do we stay practice the crab mentality? We admire other communities, how they uplift each other. We talk about their success story, how they uplift one another. Why are we not motivated by that? Why are we not driven by that to do the same thing? It's not a bad thing to copy other people. Every successful business you see today, copy somebody else and make it better. It's not a bad thing to copy good things. We talk about it. We admire them. We admire other communities that uplift one another. They support one another's dreams, goals, joining to reach at the top, to reach their potential. There's nothing unique about attending the same wedding, the same events. There's nothing unique about that. Other communities do the same thing. But what is unique is uplifting one another, is supporting one another in business, in politics, and other individual journey. Other communities don't practice crab mentality anymore. This is what the matter. The world content with them because they are influential. They are a powerhouse in the world. We talk about them. We admire their success stories because they do business with them themselves. We can do the same thing. It's not quantum math. It's not complicated. It's not rocket science. It's common sense. And we have common sense. We can't just talk about other people's success story and we forget about replicating that success story. We don't need a recipe. The recipe we need is commitment and loyalty to one another. Respect one another. Obey the rules that we make among ourselves. We have to follow through promises. When we agree, we follow through. We fulfill our promises to one another. You don't have to be a politician to influence decision making. The real decision makers are lobbyists, people who sponsor politicians. They are behind the scene. They are the one who call the shots. We can become that. But we have to come together. Because that community, those community understands that their problem is the same, regardless of their location, regardless of their political affiliation. They have common enemies. So do we. Regardless of our political affiliation or where we live, our problem is the same. We have the common enemy. But our resources are scattered. We have to come together. Not just because we are from the same villages, we have the same religion, we speak the same dialect, we hang out at the same places. No. We have to be committed to one another, uplifting one another. It's about time now that we break the cycle of the crab mentality. Enough is enough. We can do it. We have the potential. It's just that we lack the commitment and the willingness to support one another. We need to ask ourselves why we are not inclined to helping each other to move forward. Why do we frown upon elevating one another? Do we think that if we help the other person achieve their goal, they're going to take anything away from us? No. Psychologists agree across the board. One of the most fulfilling things in life is to help others fulfill their goals, put smile on other people's face. That is one of the most fulfilling things you can do in this life. It makes you a better person. We should engage in that among ourselves. Let's bring our resources together. Let's bring our assets together. Let's commit to helping each other out. Let's commit to elevating one another, whether at the business level, in politics, or at the personal level. It's not going to take away anything from anybody. It's just going to make our community stronger. This is an ongoing conversation. We should all ask ourselves personally, why do we frown upon helping one another? Why do we pretend that the other person is not asking for help? We should not look away when the other people are asking us for help. Let's come to each other assistance. That's the right thing to do. Let's ask ourselves and be honest. Let's change the course of history. We are more inclined to help other people succeed, which means we can help ourselves. Are we cursed? Is it a taboo that we can elevate each other? What is it? Like I said, I don't want to, make this a very long video, but this is an ongoing conversation. I'm just starting. But it's by time that we commit ourselves to one another, respect one another, have the least loyalty and commitment to one another, have the discipline to follow through promises. Let's break the cycle of the crab mentality. That's it for me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow me so we can keep this conversation going. Thank you.